Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to channel some love messages from your person. And also, we will going to read the messages from the spirits, okay? Before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform, like our IG account. And if you feel resonated with my energy, I would like also to invite you to follow our Shopee account. Nandun po yung ating mga crafts, kagaya po ng suot ko ngayon. This is our latest design, crafted by me. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, combination of black string, powerful black string, and the powerful red string, evil's eye. This one is for protection and also for return to sender. Meron siyang karga po na crafted by us. And if you feel resonated with these crafts, nandyan po yung link in the description box. Also, my loves, I would like to thank for those who supported this channel. And kung bago ka po sa channel ko, thank you so much for visiting this channel. And if you feel resonated with me, just write your comment in the comment box. Okay, let's start. Let's read the energy first. Okay, vacation, escapade, loss, alien, and entrapment. Okay, I feel sabihin natin, itong reading na to ay parang iba sa ibang reading because there is a hideaway adventure. Sabihin natin, there's a this connection, one of you is, sabihin natin, naliligaw ng landas. They are lost. But ito kasi, this card signifies, for me this one, this entrapment, it depends on kung ano yung mga kasama nilang cards. But this one is the result card. So, nandito yung heartstring, my loves. Even it is called entrapment, nandito ang heartstrings na sinundan yung telepathic or alienated energy. Okay, my loves, kagaya ng sinabi ko, there is a lost soul about this connection, about this love reading messages because of this. So, maaaring one of you are ng ghost or ginost. One of you nag-decide to cut off this connection. Okay? And these escapades, I strongly feel na sabihin natin, they are not focused in this love situation. Sabihin natin itong energy na to is more on adventure, na adventurous, and yung typical na adventure na gustong mag-chill. They are lost. And maybe this is the energy about this cut off. Ito yung pwedeng dahilan kung bakit kinato off or nag-cut off itong connection na to. Okay? And kahit sabihin natin hindi na kayo magkasama, you are cutting this, maybe siya, maybe ikaw, but you still connected to each other. Okay? Tingnan niyo yung strings, they still glowing. Maybe sabihin natin wala kayong connection, and andito kayo sa isolation period. Andito kayo sa isolation. Tingnan nyo yung dried leaves na yun. Mag-isa siyang lupalutang-lutang. And ito. I strongly feel dito talaga sa dalawang card na to. Nandito yung pahinga. Nandito yung time out for this love connection. But you still communicating to each other. You still communicating to each other. Through song, through dreams. Hindi kayo magkasama pero nakikipag-connect ang soul nyo sa isa't isa through 5D dimension. Telepathically, maaaring ang pangalan or birthday ng isa sa inyo lagi nyo nakikita. He's still thinking of you. Maaaring sa panaginip, nagkikita kayo. And even sa song, pwede yung pinadadalang kayo ng messages, nagpapadala kayo ng messages through songs. Pero wala kayong communication. Wala kayong communication. And right now, I feel na you're still connected with this person. You still connected because parehas strings ang sinisignifies ng dalawang to. This is heart string, this is also a string. You still connected with this person. Maaaring some of my collectives, because of this cut-off ghosted energy, maaaring naka-focus ka din dito. You are into entrapment state. Pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng nakahawak pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. But let's see kung maganda ba'y dulot ng entrapment na to. Kasi connected pa rin. You are not connected. Wala kayong communication. But you still connecting each other through other dimension. Maaaring nakatali kayo sa isa't isa. Let's see kung ano ibig sabihin ng pagkakatali na to. Is it bad or meron pa ba? Meron pa bang something bakit hindi pa to napuputol? Kasi nabanggit din dito yung cord cut or cut off. Nabanggit din dito. If you're familiar with cord cutting, pwedeng ritual yun na kumbaga isinasagawa para maputol na connection nyo sa isa't isa. But I feel na kahit na ikaw ay nag-undergo dun, you're still connected with this person. Bakit? Let's see kung ano ang sasabihin ng card. The snake. Okay. So, yes, ito nga ang maaaring dahilan. Because of this adventurous, because of this hideaway, kumbaga, merong snake. I feel the sneaky energy in this na involved dito sa pagkakablock ng connection na to. Okay? I see the snake, maybe the other woman, or the third party, because the snake also signifies competition. Sword and rose, the clarity for truth, revelation. Okay. The Grim Reaper. Okay. Sige, another one. Okay. I see. Strongly feel, yes, the cards are confirming na this is unhealthy connection. And sabihin na natin, even na nagko-connect kayo sa isa't isa, the spirits wants you to know that this connection deserves a cut off. Because merong involved, may competition involved. Pwedeng sa attention, pwedeng but this is sneaky energy, snake energy, may nang agaw, maaaring ito yung kumbaga yung pagiging adventurous niya. And this ghosted, this lost, sabihin na natin, ito yung truth na ipinapakita sa'yo. Ito yung katotohanan na because of this sabihin na natin energy, pagiging adventurous, andon, nagkaroon ng opportunity ang snake na pumasok dito sa connection na to. Now, you still into this connection because of the entrapment card, but the spirits wants you to know through this Grim Reaper. And andito na din kasi ang sword. They want you to know that you are protected by this one, by this energy. They want you to know, spirits wants to say that the relationship is over. This relationship is over. This relationship helps you to grow and transform your life. Maaari nga ito yung dahilan ng entrapment. And during this, sabihin nating entrapment, tingnan niyo mabuti yung card. Nandun pa lang siya sa womb, hindi siya pinanganak, because you have to introspect. You have to reflect on the wounds for both of you. Pero ikaw ang ano dito, kasi may pumasok na snake eh. So, kumbaga, siya yung person mo, siya yung nandito sa ganitong state. Okay? Pagiging adventurous niya, kumbaga nagkaroon ng opportunity ang snake. But this one, yun nga, kung hindi mo pa to alam, yes, spirits want you to know that this is for your protection through this sword and rose card. And the sword also signifies the cord cut. Okay? So, the spirits firmly says na there's no second chances for this. This relationship is over. Kumbaga, kailangan mo talagang panindigan kung iniwan ka ng taong to, wala nang second chances. Kung ikaw man ang nag-cut off, this relationship is really over. Kumbaga, wag kang masyadong meron kang entrapment eh. Dahil nga nakikipag-connect pa rin kayo sa isa't isa. Iniisip nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. There's a string that pulling you to each other. And sabihin na natin, ganun din siya. You mirror each other. You mirror each other and reflect on this relationship reflects your wounds or each other's wounds. So during this entrapment, the spirits want you to know, you have to realize yung value mo dito, kasi maaring itong telepathic na to, they are sending you messages, pwede kasi nga ito eh. But ito kasi, kumbaga, nandun ng snake, that's why, that's the truth. And kung nawala man yung taong to, umalis na yung taong to, or inilayo siya sa'yo ng inyong destiny, this is for your protection. And ito eh, they strongly says na this deserves to cut. And the spirits want you to know, wants you to realize yung value mo dito sa mga nangyaring to. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi siya naipanganak. Hindi successful yung this current love situation, hindi siya successful. Kumbaga, walang birthing na naganap. Okay? Because meron ngang umentrada. Merong competition, meron kang naging kaagaw. Kung ano man yun, pwede natin sabihin yung competition na yun, but sabihin natin, kaagaw sa attention, maybe the career, family, friends. But this one is snake eh. You can consider that as enemy, or yun nga, the other woman. Look over your shoulder. So this one is also a heartstring, but the spirits says that you have to introspect regarding this matter. Kung may feelings ka pa, or sabihin natin you're still into it, you're still into this relationship pa. Kasi nga, kung napapanood mo tong readings na to, ibig sabihin na resonate mo. You're still into this relationship. Okay, let's see, let's pull some messages from this person na adventurous, na kumbaga nagkaroon ng snakes or may dala ng snakes sa relationship na to. Introspect. But maybe ito ay isa sa mga lesson niya, because you mirror each other. Pwedeng parehas tong lesson sa inyong dalawa. Itong na to. But ngayon, this time talaga, sinasabi talaga ng spirits mo, this relationship is deserved to to cut. Okay? Adventurous nga. Diba? Adventurous nga itong taong to. Ito yung message niya sa'yo. Yung pagiging yung escapade, adventurous ay nandun sa snake card, and ito yung message niya. Maaaring, let's see. Is this karmic? Is this fling relationship? Oh, I would do anything for you. Ipagka-manipulative. I am absolutely in love with you. Kumbaga, maybe ikaw nga ang nag-cord cut because of the snake, and sabihin natin na they're still into you. But kung nandito, nag-exist pa rin siya sa'yo, the spirits wants you to introspect sa nangyari. Okay? Kung ito yung energy, and ito yung mga nanggagaling sa kanya. I do anything for you. I am absolutely in love with you. Pag-isipan mo mabuti, my loves. That's the message from spirit. Pag-isipan mo mabuti. Kasi, ito yung na-advise. Kaya ito, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng entrapment itong, itong relationship nyo, parang in-stop muna. The spirits wants you to reflect on these wounds, yung naidulot nito sa relationship mo, sa relationship nyo, or sa buhay mo. Okay? So, wag ka agad magpadala. Maaaring bugso or dala ng damdamin. Pwede yan. But, ito, maaari ding mabulaklak ang kanyang mga wordings sa'yo. May tendency na patuloyin mo ulit siya. May tendency na kahit wala pa kayong kalinawan ay nandun ulit kayo dun sa stage ng flirting. But the spirits wants to protect you from this person. Kung hindi siya magbabago, or kung yun pa rin siya before, kung ganito pa rin siya ka-in love, bakit niya hinayaan ito? Bakit niya hinayaan na makapasok ang snake sa relationship nyo? So, kumbaga reflect dun sa mga words na nilalabas niya against dun sa actions niya. Kung nagbago ba siya, tingnan mo yung mabuti bago mo ulit siya patuloyin. Okay? Let's see love messages from angels. Okay, you are also needing for your solidarity, for your peace. You have, ito yung the calling is to grow your and transform your life from this situation. Kasi nasan ang grow kung patuloy mo nga hayaan yan yung ganitong klase ng tao na nag-cause sa'yo ng wounds without any changes. Okay, let go, control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. So, hayaan yung mga bagay-bagay. Maybe this person ay lagi niyang ipinapakonsider sa'yo yung past. Yun yung ginagamit niya para, kumbaga, pwede ikaw din. Kaya na, you still holding on to this situation because of the past. Okay? So, yun yung maaaring nakakapag-control sa'yo. Maaaring nakokontrol ka ng iyong feelings. You still napupul ka ng strings na to. Nandun ka pa rin because of this. Kumbaga, kinoconsider nyo yung past ninyo, even na nag-cause yun sa inyo ng sabihin yung pinagsamahan ninyo, even na nagkaroon ng ganitong klase at nag-cause sa inyo ng wounds. So, if the universe, ito yung example, allow this situation to unfold naturally. If the universe or the divine cutting you off from this person, hayaan mo. Hayaan mo. Kasi ito nandito Grim Reaper natin. Kung siya ay bumabalik, ang offer ay ito, or nagkabalikan kayo ng dahil dito, make time to introspect. Kasi ito yung pwedeng sabihin natin nakakapag-control sa inyo dahil nga may pinagsamahan kayo. So, let go of, kung you're destined to separate with this person, hayaan nyo. Kung bumalik siya, yun pa rin siya at wala siyang pinagbago, uulit at uulit ulit yung pagiging ganito niya. Adventurous, na mayroon ulit, maaaring magkaroon ka ulit ng competition. Okay? Let's pull our last card for this reading. Okay. So, always remember, inilalayo ka, sige, yes, inilalayo ka ni spirits, your angels and guides. Ayan o. And tinan nyo yung space, yung distance. Tinan nyo yung pag-hold dito. Inilalayo kayo. Kasi nga, maaaring andun pa rin yung snake. Okay? Diba? Let go of the control. Let this situation unfold. And embrace. Ayan, lumitaw kasi embrace. Okay. Embrace each other through the missing pieces. Okay, it's not about sabihin nating love, or maybe the missing pieces is pwede natin i-consider na iyon is yung lesson and yung sabihin nating piraso ng na makakatulong sa yung growth, sa yung transformation. So, kumbaga, yung contribution ng ng situation na to sa'yo is to transform your life. That's the missing pieces. And sabihin na natin, iyon ay ibinigay ng isa't isa. Kung itinatanong mo, maaaring ang tanong mo dito, bakit pa kayo nagkatagpo kung ganito lang din naman? Maybe, yun nga ang inyong purpose sa isa't isa. That's the missing pieces at nakita nyo yun sa isa't isa to grow, to transform your life. So, my loves, if ever na hindi mo pa ma-accept ang mga bagay-bagay, 2 cards kasi yung lumitaw dito to cut this person off. Kung wala siyang magandang pagbabago,